Architectural fees, and remember, this is about the pro forma. We're supposed to underwrite the project correctly when we're initially analyzing to see if we want to build this development or not. So what do? How do you underwrite what an architect is? So what we've always done in the past, which is a placeholder, is a price per square foot, right? They have to design a certain criteria for the building. So what we do in underwriting our pro forma is we take what we believe to be the floor area foot, we apply a cost per square foot, and this is just for the architect. So in New York, that pricing can be anywhere from $6 per square foot. Then you have Starchitects up to $20 per square foot. So it really depends on the asset, what you're trying to build and develop, and the scope of work for that specific architect. That is the line item called architect, and now you know a little bit about it. Number one, they better be a registered architect, and now you understand what they are required to fill out for you in order to execute that project, and we went over exactly what that cost should be. Now, the last part that we always talk about in these quick podcasts is, how is technology changing the design and architectural process? So first and foremost, registered architect, license, stamping your drawing. Technology's not removing that. But what about if I told you the following, and this is how AI is changing the game. Can you upload a data lake? A data lake in this case would be every drawing that ever existed for every asset class, or at least a massive amount of input. Let's just say multiple dwellings in New York City, 50 by 100 lots. Let's say you could get 100,000 buildings and get the full documentation of the architectural of 50 by 100 lots. Could you then ask a AI to basically design the best building, meaning based on which variables, highest return, things that are selling, hit enter, and it will assist you in design? The answer is not yet, but that is coming, because if we can understand AutoCAD drawings and then layer in AI, the AI would be able to tell us what the best design is. Then we could pass that to the architect. Obviously, they have to stamp it. It has to be the code. It has to be the resolution. But imagine what the efficiency could be when you're plugging in 100,000 floor plans to know exactly what the most efficient, highest yielding return plan is. Look out for that in the future. That's your boy. Number 2 on that pro forma, acquisition. And then the first thing we do, we retain our architect, and they better be registered. Talk to you soon. Peace.